السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. تو گائز آج ہم کھیلنے جا رہے ہیں سپلنٹر سیل کانویکیشن کا سیکنڈ مشن کوبنز مینشین. تو بغیر کسی شور شرابے کے اس مشن کو انجوائے کریں.
Coben's whole operation was based there, and he turned the place into a fortress. Which, to be fair, it pretty much was to start with. And that was before he filled the place with jumpy guys toting automatic weapons. But Sam knew Coben was in there, and that he might know something about what happened to his daughter. So, Sam was going in, no matter what.
Can't say I blame him. What, because of the shipment? That's bullshit. We've handled like 60 clients. Maybe they know that Coben's slipping. The way he's been powdering his nose, it's hard not to. Thank God it's the last one. That's if we get it out of here tonight. Coben doesn't go screw it up. Coben's not going to go anywhere near it. No, he's going to stay locked in here. Yeah, the guys are going to make this work. Sad, man.
Look what I found.
So what are we supposed to do with these?
Drag them to the back courtyard. Let someone else dump them.
I guess that's something.
Acceptable,
Who are these
I
assholes
guess.
anyway?
CIA, KGB guys or something. They're part of the Russian gig. Coben cleaned them up.
Coben cleaned up secret agents? Shit, now I'm impressed.
I'm a little freaked.
They missed a hit on Fisher at the market. I guess it's up to us now, man.
Working for it.
Man, did you see that list of meds Coben wants?
Fuck! Get me that. No, all their gear is fingerprint ID. So unless you're the owner, you can't sell it and you can't use it.
Besides, the goggles are covered in brain.
You had to go there, huh? You really had to go there.
I'm just
Would
saying.
you shut up, both of you? I'm getting the feeling that Coben is in way over his head for this one.
He drowned. We drowned with him.
Man, I like you better when you were talking about the brains.
They just called it in. Gramco's messed up.
So, what does this mean?
It means this Fisher guy is on his way, I think.
What's your ETA?
Big fucking deal.
Holy shit!
He's gonna be over there, man! You ain't nothing, Fisher! Nothing!
Right, time to go.
You're pathetic, Fisher! Come here! I'm no Gramco. You'll die in this museum, Fisher! Tell the boss is here. Fisher's here. It's you, isn't it, Fisher? Is that the way you surprise Gramcos? Well, fuck you!
Fine, I'll take that spot.
Jesus! Mr. Coben would love to see you, pussy. Show your face. God, how the fuck does he do that? What the hell? Are you okay? That's it! He's gonna be right there! Fuck you! Come on, show yourself, fucker!
Okay, guys, let's do it now.
He's there now! Go! Fisher, you're dead, motherfucker! Coben had you all wrong, Fisher. Turns out you're just a pussy. I'm reloading. That's fine and don't move, Fisher. Not now. Fuck. Fisher, you...
The sooner we get it to the Americans at the airport. The sooner we do that, the sooner we get paid. What? How we doing?
We're ahead of schedule. Don't know those guys. Yeah, not kidding.
Any idea what's in the big box?
No, don't care. It's expensive.
Huh? So this means we're using...
That ain't right. I'll go check it out.
He does all the tough shit.
Yeah, Coben trusts him. The Americans don't. That's why they're going.
Jesus Christ!
I guess all the training paid off.
What I'm saying is I wouldn't want to be that guy right now. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
You got that loaded?
Check.
The crates?
Yeah, check.
Support materials?
Check.
Big crates?
Check.
What about that?
Check.
That stuff?
Check.
This thing on? It is? Good. I don't know how you got this far.
Look
You're not
around.
gonna let your goddamn speaker on.
We've got to find him first.
You know why
Flush him
not?
out and take him down.
You're gonna be dead. You hear me?
Coben wants to see you dead.
So if you want to run, I'll give you a head start. I'll be coming. Everyone else fucks with me. What they
You're pathetic, Fisher. Come here. I'm no Gramsci.
Like you're supposed to be a soldier or something?
Shit, there!
You'll die in this museum, Fisher.
Yeah, you better hide! Fucking coward! Hey, move! Who's over there? You're a pussy, Fisher! Now, reloading! Over there, guys!
Coben had you all wrong, Fisher. Turns out you're just a...
fucking clips. Holy fuck.
Fighting with your fucking blood!
That could have gone smoother. Gets that one.
What the? You fucking dead man! Show your truth!
That son of a bitch is gonna come through that door and we're gonna blast him when he does. Boss, what if he comes through the window? Then you shoot him! What kind of fucking stupid question is that? You get this straight. Nobody is going anywhere until Fisher is...
Wait a kill him! Kill him!
We're going in now.
That's behind us, don't move, Fisher! We need a statue!
Check out the area.
Show yourself, Fisher! I'm gonna... Kobe's gonna pay off big when I put a bullet in you, Fisher!
I got nothing. What about you?
This is bullshit, man! Come on out, let's get this over with!
Where the hell did he go?
I'm not afraid of you, Fisher! Come on, Fisher! I'll make a hole for this! Kill him! Come on, Fisher! Come on! Motherfucker! Show your face, fucker! You supposed to be a soldier or something?
Time to check the zone, guys. I want a clean sweep.
Show your museum, Fisher! Come on out!
You got nothing, you hear me?
Damn it, where is he?
Nothing!
Not a lot of place to hide in an empty museum, Fisher! Hard fun, dude!
Die! You're not bulletproof, are you? I'm gonna blow your brains out!
Show yourself, Fisher! I'm a nice guy! I'll show you about that women, you know!
Anybody see where he went?
Don't get robbed. Son of a bitch, come right back.
Hold still and die!
Nobody's gonna pay off big when I put a bullet in you, Fisher!
Ah, ha, ha, ha.
This is bullshit, man! Hold on, let's get this over with! Not afraid of you, Fisher! Come on and fight!
Watch your back. He's here.
Not a lot of place to hide in an empty museum, Fisher!
Fuck!
Screw you, Fisher!
Watch out, Fisher! You're...
You think you can hide? Huh? This is my house, you hear me? My house! Why don't you just goddamn die? You're not getting me! You got nothing, you hear me? Nothing! Die, you bastard! Die! You're not bullet.
Andrew Coben, were you saying something about my daughter?
Oh, God, no. Yeah, I was just messing with you, man. I didn't mean it. I swear I didn't mean it.
Then make it up to me. Tell me why you killed her.
I can't tell you. All you can do is kill me. It was just a job. They just gave me a picture and told me to provide a body. That's all it was, a dump job.
They isn't good enough. Who were you working for?
I can't tell you. I'm still working for them. They'll gut me if I tell you.
They're not the ones you should be worried about right now.
You don't get it, Fisher! They're bigger than you. They're bigger than me. Don't you see? They told me you were coming.
Drop it, Fisher! Drop it! You won't be hurt, Fisher!
Sam, you need to go with them.
The hell I do.
Please, you have to trust me on this one.
If you're talking to the Ice Queen, Fisher, I'd advise you to listen. She knows all sorts of things you'd be interested in. What took you so fucking long?
That's it, Fisher! Nice and easy!
Man, this is Ghost Hawk 1. We've secured Panther and are ready to return to base.
All right, Grip. You get this one. But if it's a setup,
تو गाइस अगर आपको ये गेम प्ले पसंद आया है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।